As that weather heats up and more Americans are getting together, they are leaving their masks behind. But as CBS News Elise Preston tells us, amid the fun, there are still some serious questions about how the coronavirus started in the first place.
With a heat wave sweeping much of the U.S., millions of Americans are enjoying their new freedom from COVID-19 restrictions. Crowds flocked to this Wisconsin state park over the sultry weekend.
To be able to just be out at the beach and no limitations, it's nice, definitely.
In California's Bay Area, the San Mateo County Fair attracted visitors seeking fun and on-site COVID vaccinations.
When you come to a fair, there's all kinds of free stuff and unexpected surprises and stuff. I think it's a great idea.
But as July 4th fast approaches, states in the Deep South like Mississippi, where about a third of the adults have been vaccinated with at least one dose, are far from President Biden's next goal of 70%.
The fact is we're down 98% since early January in terms of total number of cases in our state. We had less than 50 Mississippians in ICU beds with the coronavirus as of Friday.
On Sunday, First Lady Jill Biden and Dr. Anthony Fauci visited a vaccine site at a New York City church in Harlem.
We're going to end this outbreak for absolutely certain. Yeah. And the vehicle to ending it is vaccination, and that's what's going on right here.
We're really working hard because we have to get back to life as normal.
More than a year into the pandemic, questions are growing about whether the coronavirus came from nature or somehow leaked from a lab in Wuhan, China.
There's a lot of other information that points in a direction that this could have come out of a lab, that we need to have a broader view about the potential risk that this was a lab leak.
Last month, President Biden asked U.S. intelligence agencies to investigate the origins of the virus and report back in 90 days. Elise Preston, CBS News.
More than 33 million Americans have contracted the coronavirus and close to 600,000 have died from it.